Ever notice how just hearing the words, "Ivy got a secret," makes your brain perk up? It doesn't even matter if it's about you, a friend, or a celebrity. Suddenly you need to know. But why does our brain crave secrets so badly? Stick around, because what's happening inside your head is way more fascinating than you think. Secrets have been a part of human life forever. From whispering playground gossip to high-stakes government files, there's something magnetic about the idea of hidden information. Psychologists say that secrets have a unique power over us because they mix curiosity, mystery, and emotion all in one. Think about it. Secrets can keep us up at night. They can make us bond with people, or they can stress us out when we're the ones holding them. And today, we're diving into the psychology behind it. Why do secrets feel so irresistible? What's going on in our brains when we hear, tell, or keep them? And, maybe the most fun part, what does this mean for your relationships, your happiness, and even your health? So let's break it down. Point 1. Curiosity is hardwired into the brain. Humans are naturally curious creatures. Our ancestors literally survived because they were curious enough to explore new food sources, try new tools, and notice when something in the environment was different. When you hear "I have a secret," your brain's curiosity switch flips on. Your dopamine system lights up. Yep, that same feel-good chemical you get from eating pizza, scrolling TikTok, or biting into McDonald's fries at 1 a.m. It's like your brain gets a mini reward just from the possibility of learning something hidden. That's why secrets feel like candy for the mind. Point 2. Secrets create social bonds. Have you ever noticed how sharing a secret with someone instantly makes you feel closer? It's like suddenly you're part of an inner circle. Psychologists call this social glue. Think about when a friend leans in and whispers, "Don't tell anyone," but you lean closer, your heart races a little, and bam, you're connected in a new way. That's why gossip exists in every culture. From high school lunch tables to office coffee breaks, gossip and secrets create tiny pockets of belonging. It asks less about the content and more about the feeling. We know something they done tea. Point 3. The burden of holding secrets. But here's the twist. Keeping secrets isn't always fun. In fact, it can feel heavy. Research shows that holding secrets, especially big ones like money problems, infidelity, or family drama, can actually cause stress. People who carry secrets often report feeling more fatigue, more anxiety, and even more physical tension. Why? Because your brain has to constantly juggle. What do I say? What do I hide? Did I slip up? That's exhausting. It's like trying to carry a heavy backpack all day long. At first, you barely notice it. But after hours of walking, your shoulders ache. Secrets do that to the mind. Point 4. The forbidden fruit effect. Now here's where things get spicy. When something is hidden, it automatically becomes more interesting. Psychologists call this the forbidden fruit effect. You know how limited edition Starbucks drinks suddenly go viral? Like the pumpkin spice latte or the shamrock shake at McDonald's? The fact that it's not always available makes people crave it more. Secrets work the same way. The very fact that you can't have the information makes your brain want it even more. That's why celebrity scandals blow up online. Half the time, the secret isn't even that shocking, but the anticipation is what hooks people. Point 5. Secrets and identity. Here's another layer. Secrets aren't just about information, they were tied to who we are. Think about personal secrets. Maybe you're hiding a dream you haven't told anyone, like wanting to quit your job and start a bakery. Or maybe it's something from your past you're not ready to share. Those secrets shape how you see yourself, even if nobody else knows. Sometimes they make you feel special, unique, or powerful. Other times they make you feel isolated or ashamed. Either way, secrets become part of your personal identity, and that makes them deeply emotional. Point 6. Secrets in relationships. Romantic relationships and secrets have a complicated dance. On one hand, keeping certain little secrets, like your secret stash of Ben and Jerry's in the freezer, might be harmless, even playful. But bigger secrets? Those can erode trust fast. Psychologists find that couples who share openly tend to feel more satisfied and secure. But here's the kicker. Total honesty isn't always realistic. Sometimes, people keep secrets to protect their partner's feelings, like pretending you love that weird casserole they made, when in reality it tastes like soggy cardboard. The psychology here isn't black and white, it's a balance. Too many secrets create distance, but some level of privacy keeps individuality alive. Point 7. Secrets and power. Let's not forget, knowledge is power. When someone holds a secret, they hold control. That's why secret societies, classified files, and even inside jokes feel powerful. It creates a hierarchy, those who know and those who don't. And humans are wired to care about status. Just think about kids in middle school. The one who knows the gossip suddenly has social currency. Adults aren't that different. We just call it networking now. Okay, here's the most surprising part about secrets. Your brain obsesses about them even when you're not actively thinking about them. Researchers found that when people carry secrets, they don't just think about them in moments of conversation. They think about them all the time. On the subway, at the gym, waiting in line at Chipotle. It's like the brain keeps revisiting the secret, poking at it, rehearsing what to say or not say. This mental replay drains energy and makes life feel heavier than it really is. And here is the kicker. It is usually not the act of keeping quiet that is stressful, it is the constant mental rehearsal. So the big reveal? Secrets stick in our minds like glue. They don't just live in the vault. They wander through every corner of our thoughts, shaping how we feel and act every single day. So why does the brain love secrets? Because they spark our curiosity, bond us to others, give us identity, and even offer power. But they also weigh us down, replaying in our minds like a song we can't turn off. Secrets are double-edged. They can thrill us, or they can exhaust us. Now I want to hear from you. What's one secret you think most people are carrying around right now? Drop your guess in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed exploring the secret psychology of, well, secrets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future videos on the wild world of human behavior. Because trust me, we've got plenty more secrets to uncover.